Hey everyone, did you know your hairbrush can do way more than tame your locks? What if I told you it has been used as a weapon, a musical instrument, and even a life-saving tool? Stick around, we are diving into the weird, wild, and totally unexpected world of hairbrushes. Let's be real, hairbrushes are the unsung heroes of our daily routines. But today, we are not just talking detangling. We are uncovering their secret lives. From ancient rituals to modern-day hacks, this is the story of how a simple tool became a global icon, and a lot more. Hairbrushes are ancient, like 5,000-year-old Egyptian tomb ancient. Early versions were made from bone, wood, and even fish bones. By the 1700s, Europe's elite were obsessed with ornate brushes, often studded with jewels. But here's the twist. They were not just for hair. Royalty used them to apply makeup, clean wigs, and even scratch their backs. Fast forward to the 1900s. Plastics and synthetics revolutionized brushes. The invention of the round brush changed hairstyling forever. But wait, did you know NASA engineers once tested a hairbrush-inspired design for satellite components? True story. In Japan, geishas used brushes as art tools. In the 80s, punk bands turned them into mohawk sculptors. And in many cultures, gifting a brush symbolizes brushing away bad luck. Oh, and let's not forget the iconic scene in Legally Blonde where Elle uses a brush to defend herself. Brushes make excellent pet groomers, keyboard cleaners, and even DIY paint tools. Ever heard of brush yoga? Some people use them for scalp massages to boost hair growth. And in 2019, a guy actually survived a hiking accident by using his brush as a signal mirror. Who knew something so simple could have such a huge impact? From ancient tombs to space tech, hairbrushes are proof that everyday objects can surprise us. So next time you grab yours, remember, it is not just a brush. It is a history book, a survival kit, and maybe your next big idea. Did I miss any weird brush hacks? Let me know below. Smash that like button if you've learned something wild, and subscribe for more hidden histories. Oh, and tag a friend who needs to see this.